Hello my loves, welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. This is Shivanshu Singh. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, click the bell button down below and remain updated with the videos and the daily updates. Alright, I'm really sorry I've skipped the video in between for a week, was not keeping well, but now I'm all back. Alright, I'm open for the personal readings, alright. So you can find the description in the description box down below, alright, and the rest of the information, alright. So for today, I'm going to see that how would be the coming month would be for all my zodiac signs, right? That would be the month of September, the ninth month, alright. And as the Virgo season has just started up by 26th 22nd of the August, so let's see what this Virgo season brings us for all the zodiac signs, and how does the month of September will be for all of us. All right, so I'm gonna take the first sign, that will be Aquarius. All right, I'm drawn towards this sign somehow. All right, so Aquarians, this reading is a general reading. All right, so it might resonate with you, it might not resonate with you. Don't get very hard pressed on yourself that if it doesn't resonate, it might not be the uh, message for you for this for the month. All right, so be patient for the next update of my reading I'll be giving up. All right, please post your comments, your suggestions in the comment box down below, so that I can improvise with my videos. And if any new video my beautiful people are looking for to for me to upload for them, all right, so I would love to do that. All right, so let's see, my lovely Acadians, that how would be your coming September, you know, for you all. Alright, so let's see, let's begin. Holy Spirit, in the spirit of all angel, God, goddesses, my dear universe, what do we have? What do we have for my beautiful Acadians for the month of September? What do we have for the beautiful Aquarians for the month of September? For the month of the September. For the month of the September. Alright, Aquarians, so let's see. What do we have? Okay, alright, okay. Not many cards, but I'll take these two because they came. Alright. Okay. Alright, Aquarians, so here I have the month outlook for you, and something is happening for you, Aquarians, this coming month. September would be a hard-working month for you, right? Lots of communication taking place in this month, must say. Lots of communication taking place, lots of movement taking place in this coming month from one place to another, all right. And more than the movements, I'm seeing communication between the people are taking place for you, Canadians. There's something related to the communications very much on the cards for this coming September. All right, so let me see. Oh wow, beautiful. All right, Akarian, so let's if I start up for the first I've divided the month into the three parts, the first half, the mid, and the the last part. All right, so as what I can see for the first half for the month, you're required to work hard onto something. Can you see this Eight of Pentacles, this man working onto something? All right. So this is indicating me that the first half of your September will get on the complete hard work. It could be on anything, maybe at your professional front, maybe at your personal front. All right, so if I talk about the professional front, it could be like, working hard with your projects, working hard in your workplace, at your office front, right? Coming to your personal life, maybe working hard onto a relationship. If you're already a married guy or girl, right, if you're already a married person, probably working well for your marriage. If things are not going well, or still, efforts has to be there, right? And if you're single and is striving to get committed to somebody, or probably looking around for someone, all right, so still you need to put your efforts, because efforts is what asking you to be coming across for you. And then in the mid of the September, what I am seeing is that there's a very fast energy that will move that will move in you. And you'll be full of actions. You'll be just deciding and doing the work, and doing it in a very karmic way, right? Can you see this Knight of Swords? Look at this young man moving with the swords fast, with his horse, right? So this could indicate two things, Aquarians. First, that whatever hard work you were doing, that has taken a good result, and the things have started moving in a positive direction. All right, things have started moving in a positive direction, and you're all set to get ahead with it. All right, this is the first situation. Second situation is that because till now you were working hard, so now you decided that you have to, with working hard also, you have to put something into the action. Now you're going ahead with the full force, that okay, till now I was doing it soberly, decently, but now I'm going to do it shrewdly. I'm going to do it forcefully if the things are not falling in for me, right? So take it as it resonates with you. All right, so yes, so it will be like that for the mid of the September. And in the end of the September, I'm seeing lots and lots of conversation taking place with this Eight of Wands. With this Eight of Wands, lots of communications taking place, which means again, there are two situations what I'm getting over here. If things are stuck for you, be it at any front, the professional front or the personal front, right? Communication is your key. All right, that balanced communication, or if you need to be diplomatic also, so that's perfectly fine. All right, but the communication, the words will play the important role for you in the month of September. All right, things will take place very fast, as in the lightning speed. You will not even expect things to take place with that speed. All right, but then with the help of the communication, it will be getting it. All right, and at the end, the overall outcome of the situation is, for the month of September, is the Page of Swords. Is that when whatever you are trying to, whatever you're striving to get or to earn or to make it happen, at the end of the month of the September, what I am getting, you'll get it, and you will cherish it by looking at it, that finally my hard work paid off, finally my communications paid off, and you'll in dressing up very beautifully and everything, you're going to see it, and you're going to cherish it. All right, so this is the outlook for the month of the September. Let me see that what would be the challenge for you in the month of September. Challenge for my Aquarians for the month of September. Lot many cards, I'm really sorry. Yeah, so what would be the challenge for my Aquarians for the month of September? Challenge for my Aquarians. Oh wow, beautiful. And what would be the solution to the challenge of crossing the situation? Must say, Aquarians are very high with your energies. My cards are just bouncing and bouncing. Alright, so oh my god, what beautiful cards, Aquarians. I'm so delightful looking at them. Alright, and let me see the final outcome as well. The final outcome of the situation, please. The final outcome of the situation. The final outcome for the situation, please. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Alright, at the bottom of the deck we have this the Hermit. Alright. So now, coming back to your challenge, I was like, what would be your challenge for the month of September? Challenge for you for the month of the September, as I told you, the communication would be there. So the communication will with the elders will be the kind of a challenge for you. You have to, again, you have to talk in a very balanced manner. You have to talk in a very diplomatic manner to make your or to get your work done. That is okay, and with your elder people, maybe your parents or maybe your grandparents or maybe your elder brother or sister, whosoever. And you know what rejoicing me over here in this reading is this, that I'm seeing lot many new beginnings happening for you, Aquarians. I'm seeing a proposal coming to you. You're probably taking a proposal to somebody, or probably somebody is coming with a proposal to you. All right, and then there's a soulmate card I'm getting over here, and I'm seeing a new beginning over here. So that's lots of happening. This would be a very happening month. The ninth month, ninth number belong to planet Mars, and Mars is all about the endings and the new beginnings, and all like the fast energies, the dreams, and the bold things are happening to your way. All right, so with this challenge, the solution to it is the Page of Cups. All right, if you can see this. All right, so whenever you talk to elders, what I personally feel, that's I'm just telling you from my own personal experience. Whenever you talk to elders, be like a child and talk to them with all that innocence, with all that love and affection you have for them. I'm surely there's nothing they can deny of. There's nothing which they can say that okay, we are not agreeing on it, or probably we are not going to give you the consent for which you are asking for, something like that. All right, so the challenge would be the communication, convincing your elders probably for something. It could be anything, be it your relationships, or be it your financial front, be it your professional front. It could be anything. All right, so how to talk to them, how to keep your communication in a very diplomatic manner, in a very sober, sweet, innocent manner, that just to tell them that your words matter to me, and that is the reason I'm rushing to you again and again, or probably I'm rushing to you, talking about this. Otherwise, if it wouldn't be important, I would have taken the decision on myself and would have proceeded with it. All right, so you have to make them realize that, but in a softer way, because they're elder, they're your elders, and they deserve respect. All right, so that would be the challenge and the solution for it. And the final outcome for the month of September is this two beautiful cards. I know this card might scare you, but then I'll tell you how it is beautiful in this reading. All right, with the Star card and the 10 of Swords. All right, now this Star card is simply showing me a new beginning, a balanced beginning. All right, and God is favoring you, your destiny is favoring you, things are going to happen, you're going to heal from something which is bothering you probably. All right, and it will be a new beginning for something you're waiting since ages, since long. All right, and with this 10 of Swords, it's all about the end of that wait and about that new beginning. All right, so this is about the tarot. So let me see what do we have for the oracles today. I just feel like to get on with the monology today. Alright, so let me see what the monology carries for you, Aquarians. Alright, Aquarians. Wow, this is impeccable, I must tell you. Believe in the impossible. Aquarians, believe in the impossible. So till now, if there's anything which you have believed that could never happen in your life, that could never take place, trust you me, this month is going to give you. Right? This time it's going to come across to you, and you will be filled with joy. And one more message I would love to give you. it's time to release the negativity. So please shut the negativity of of feeling that I'll not get the thing, I'm not yet ready for it, I've not got that thing for long, but now this is the time. This is the cosmic timing for you, where this Virgo season is going to grant you a new love, a new life, a new beginning altogether. All right, so let me have the final call for you, that what's there. Okay, what is the final message for my beautiful and lovely Aquarius? What is the final message? What is the final message? Alright, so let me see. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this reading. Oh wow. The Skand, the god of war, is the final message, is from the Skand, the god of war. Alright, and the message from him is that I take refuge in Kartikeya Skand, the son of Shiva, who is the god of 6 faces that are as red as kumkum. This greatly wise deity leads the army of gods while riding on the back of his divine peacock. All right. So blessings from him to you is preservation of youth, powers in the military art. So it's a good news for the defense people over here. All right. Time is favoring you, Aquarians. Woo. Strategic thinking and politics, leadership qualities in time of peace. See, again over here, strategic thinking in politics over here, but what I'm getting over here, with the instinct of mind, what hitting me over here, strategic communication will make you to achieve the things this month, is the only mantra you have to follow. All right, and rest things will fall in place altogether. All right, so this is for the my lovely Aquarians for the month of September. Please do let me know if it resonates with you. I would love to know. All right, so take care. Bye bye.